Okay, everybody, this is Tom again with If This Car Could Talk. We're at Barrett-Jackson 2025, and we're walking around during the second day of setup. There's nobody here, it's quiet, so it's a good time to do videos from vehicles that we know you guys will like. And this one here is sure to create a lot of interest on the internet when we show this video, and it'll create even more interest as it crosses the block. Its number is number 1062. You can watch it as it crosses the block live, and then you can check back in a day or so and see how much it brought. Now, I don't know how much you guys think this will bring, but this truck has been completely frame-off restored. It's four-wheel drive. It has the new 7.3 liter Godzilla V8 gasoline engine that Ford just came out with a couple of years ago. It's got a brand new interior. Everything is new. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I love the color with the white grille and the white bumpers. Not a whole lot of chrome on this, but these crew cabs are extremely popular now. And to modify them to this extent is what they usually do with them. And when they do sell, they sell upwards of 150,000. So my prediction for this, I will say right now, it's going to be somewhere around 180 to 200. Now, if you agree with me, let me know. If you think it's something else, then let me know as well. Right now we got an alarm going off because we're doing this live, so excuse that. They just shut it off. So we'll let Dana walk around this beautiful truck, and you can see it all in good detail.